Just another quick office video here today. This time, once again about TRN Bluetooth Earhooks, and once again attached to the Zero Reds here. This is the new updated version of the TRN BT20. This is the BT20 Pro. The differences between this and the BT20 XS, which I've talked about a few times, are this has this plastic, it's kind of giant case with the 4 dots on it instead of just a red and green light to indicate charging. And what's nice about this case is there's enough space to close easily, even with these fairly giant IEMs and tips on them. But the real question that I wanted to answer about these things, and the reason why I ordered them, was I wanted to know whether they had the distortion problem, which I've talked about in a couple of other videos that I had with the XSs. And the short answer is I have not been able to replicate it. These sound just fine. So I think if you are in the market for inexpensive Bluetooth earhooks, and you're in the Apple world because these only do AAC, they don't do aptX, then these are probably the buy from TRN. I'm actually very happy with this combination, and I think I can recommend them at this point. So it looks like TRN has fixed the problem with the XS. These cost the same from the usual, AliExpress sources that you would tend to buy them from. I don't think there's much reason not to go with this set. But there's one caveat. The earpieces that these come with have a round end here. So this end which attaches to, here I'll undo it, to the ear hook, right, is round. And on these particular Truth Ear Zero Reds, the older ones from the XSs fit better, so the BT20 XSs. So I'm using those earpieces, not the ones that shipped with these, which is fine. I should say the problem that I had with the XSs is not it caused me to throw them out, and I've got them hooked up to a different set of IEMs for use around the house. So those are still in use as well. So very interesting, and they're so cheap, they're worth a try. As in, I think I paid $33 Canadian, I think, for this, but with 3 sets of earpieces, they're less if you get them with just a single one. I would order them with 3. It includes a 2-pin, this style, although not these exact ones, and the MMCX connectors that are used by Shure's, which I wanted to have. Okay, hope that's helpful. Have a good afternoon.